Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rahul. If you are preparing for MAANG level interviews or gearing up for competitive coding, then today's video is for you. We are tackling an important problem, count prefix-suffix pairs. This problem challenges your understanding of string manipulation and logical problem solving, two key skills tested in top company interviews. I will break the problem down step by step, explain the logic, and walk you through an efficient Java implementation. As always, I will explain the code line by line to ensure you leave this video with a crystal clear understanding. So let's dive right in. Imagine you are given a list of words and you need to find all the valid prefix suffix pairs from these words. So from this example, you will get to know what's the thing we need to find. So let's start. In order to solve this problem, we will use four steps, not four, three. First of all, we will compare all pairs of words. Second, with the help of helper function for checking prefix and suffix. At last, we will count valid pairs. So let's move to the coding part. So this is our class. So before getting into our method, we will write another method which we will use for the helper function. Public boolean is prefix and suffix string str1 string str2. So here we will use to helper function um, to check whether string 1 is both a prefix and a suffix of string 2. We will use two method, starts with and ends with, which is a Java inbuilt function. Return string 2 dot starts with string 1 and string 2 dot ends with string 1. So this is our helper method. Now we are getting into the main function count prefix suffix pairs, which takes an array of string words as input. Now we initialize a counter int count equal to 0. This will store the total number of valid prefix suffix pairs. Next, we will use a nested loop. First, we will write one int I equal to 0, I less than words dot length I plus plus. Again, we have to write one loop. As I mentioned, nested loop. Okay. Here the outer loop iterates the array, taking one word at a time, and the inner loop starts from the next word. That's the I plus one and compares it with the current word. Now we will write our condition here. If we will give our already return function. Okay, is prefix and suffix words of I and words of J. Then we have to increment the count. That's it. Here we just checking if words of I is both a prefix and suffix of words J. Then we can increment the count. That's it. Then we have to return the count. Sorry. Yeah, it's working. Here, the time complexity is we using one nested loop, so it will get big of n square when n is the number of words. Then the starts with and ends with methods run in big of k, where k is the average length of the strings. Hence, the total complexity is approximately big of n square into k. And when it comes to space complexity, it will use big of one additional space. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's working and it beats 100%. Why this problem is important? This problem tests your understanding of, first of all, string manipulation. Using Java's built-in methods like startsWith and endsWith for efficient operation. Secondly, nested loops and logic, knowing when and how to iterate overall combinations effectively. Third one, real-world scenarios. Prefix suffix operations are frequently used in text processing systems like systems and applications like autocomplete. If you can solve this, you are one step closer to acing your MAANG interviews. Drop your questions in the comments and I will answer them as soon as I can. Also check out the description for additional resources and related problems. Let's keep leveling up your coding skills together. So see you in next video.